ये पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट्स होते क्या हैं? दे बेसिकली रिप्रेजेंट्स द थ्री साइड्स ऑफ अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल। तो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए आई हैव ड्रॉन अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ABC, where you can see in the diagram AB is the height, BC is the base. These are the two perpendicular sides, or this side is the hypotenuse, the side which is opposite the right angle. So the side which is opposite the right angle, this is the longest side of a right angle triangle, which is known as hypotenuse. Now if we go by that Pythagoras theorem, we know that the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two perpendicular sides. यानी कि यहाँ पे hypotenuse square किसके इक्वल आएगा? The square of height plus square of base, which I can also write as AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. तो ऐसे तीन numbers, ऐसे कोई set of three numbers which can satisfy this particular equation, that is known as a Pythagorean triplets. तो यहाँ पे by using the property of the square number we can easily identify the Pythagorean triplets. So in this particular case you will find that these three set of numbers will be of the form, one number is going to be 2m, another number is going to be m square minus 1, और इसमें जो तीसरा नंबर जो आपका रहेगा that is going to be m square plus 1. And this is true for all the natural numbers m which is greater than 1. यहाँ पे of course हम बात कर रहे हैं किसकी? We are talking about the natural numbers m which is greater than 1. So one number will be 2m, second will be m square minus 1, and the third is going to be m square plus 1. So these are going to be the three sides of a right angle triangle. अब देखते हैं that whether these sides can fulfill this particular condition, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So you can easily find out that 2m whole square plus m square minus 1 whole square is going to be equal to m square plus 1, that is whole square. Which means what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is going to be equal to m square plus 1. It is going to be m square plus 1. अब इस पूरे एक्सरसाइज के अंदर this is the longest side, this is the smallest side, and this is the medium one. यानी कि अगर हम उसको ascending order में अगर मैं इन साइड्स को अरेंज करता हूँ तो सबसे पहले कौन सी साइड आएगी? 2m, the smallest. उसके बाद सेकेंड साइड कौन सी आएगी? m square minus 1. Remember, these are the two perpendicular sides. This is going to be equal to the longest side, which is hypotenuse, which is m square plus 1. This is based on a very common property. If you remember, this is based on this particular algebraic identity that a plus b whole square में से अगर हम माइनस करेंगे a minus b whole square, so this is going to be equal to 4 into ab, which means this is going to be equal to 4 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term. अगर मैं इस इक्वेशन को लिखता हूँ या अगर मैं इस इक्वेशन को रीअरेंज करता हूँ, if I try to rearrange this particular equation, तो मैंने इक्वेशन यहाँ पे क्या लिखी है? 2m whole square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1 होल स्क्वायर। अब हम क्या करते हैं, अब मैं यहाँ पे इसको लिखता हूँ, लेट्स ट्राई टू सी that whether this equation is going to work or not. 2m square is going to be therefore equal to m square plus 1 whole square minus m square minus 1 whole square. अब ये जो आप इक्वेशन देख रहे हैं, this is similar to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. तो जब आप इसको सॉल्व करते हैं तो आपका आंसर क्या आता है, 4 into a into b. ऐसे जब मैं इसको सॉल्व करूंगा तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा, दिस विल बी 4 into फर्स्ट टर्म, व्हाट इज फर्स्ट टर्म, m square, and what is second term, 1, which means this is equal to 4m square, or 4m square is also the square of 2m, and that is why we get 2m square is equal to m square plus 1 whole square minus m square minus 1 whole square. So this was to explain you that how we can use these numbers to find out the Pythagorean triplets. Now we take some examples to identify the Pythagorean triplets. This was all the equation. तो आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि ये जो पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन जो इसकी बनी हुई है, this is based on this particular algebraic identity. अब कुछ examples लेते हैं to find out the Pythagorean triplets.